This is Skill of the Week. We're captain for the Irish Cerebral Palsy football team, Heather Jameson, and FAI Football Development Officer, Cameron Molloy Moules, will demonstrate a new skill for you to practice at home each week.
Welcome to your Challenge of the Week. This week we're going to be focusing on our ball control from a height.
We want you to practice this skill at home, at school, with your friends or on your own. All you need is one football.
Your top tip for the challenge this week is to try and cushion the ball, no matter what body part you're using, whether it's your foot, your knee or your chest. You don't want to bounce it back up off anything. You want to cushion the ball softly so that it lands at your feet.
It's a gentle touch to keep in control and set you up to play on next.
Make sure you're practicing this skill every evening this week and see if we can master it.
And remember, don't forget to keep thanking your coaches, keep encouraging your teammates.